G'day folks, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are at the BC Vintage Truck Museum in Cloverdale, BC. Behind us we got a beautiful 1928 Graham, generously donated by the Williams family. This one was similar to the exact same truck that Williams Moving and Storage started their company with. They found this one in November of 1985, purchased it, originally bought from a dealership in Rosetown, Saskatchewan. Spent much of its life in a machinery shed when it was not working on the farm near Herschel, Saskatchewan. It was restored in Saskatoon and was owned by Advanced Moving Systems of that city. It is a 1928 Graham, 26 horsepower, 6-cylinder gasoline engine. It's got a 4-speed transmission and a 157-inch wheelbase. So I will step aside and show you a little more about this beautiful ride. Look at this. Beautiful red paint. Let's get right to the grill, shall we? Oh man. Monogram. Firestone 6.5 by 20s. Period correct. Beautifully rebuilt flatbed in the back here. Nice. This one's been used in a bunch of parades here in Cloverdale. Well, let's go have a look inside, see what this one's all about. Look at this beautifully restored interior. The wood steering wheel. Beautifully redone floor. Graham Brothers, open closed, Detroit, Michigan, USA. There's the instrument cluster, amps, speedo, oil. Pretty simple. Well, this was 1928. Beautifully restored ceiling in here. There we go, 1928 Graham. BE 1.5 ton. Let's have a step inside and have a feel for what it's like to be in one of these trucks. There you go. Quite nice, I do say. Beautiful. Original serial number. Built by Graham Brothers, Detroit. Wow. They did a really nice job restoring this. Little leather strap hinges. Wood floor. It's interesting that the handle to open the door is way back here. Not much to it, just a window crank and a door handle. Let's see if we can have a peek at what's going on inside here. Wow. Gentle. Don't want to scrape the paint in this one. See if I can get into there. General Automotive Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. Cylinders, reboard, mains, reference number. On this side, rods. Cool. Let's see if I can back out here. Give a little more. Look at this firewall. Wow. What do we got going on here on the Ukacha? Made in. Let's see what we got going on here. Sorry for the shaky camera. Made in Rochester, New York. North by Northeast. Oh. Pretty simple to work on. Your steering box. Your starter. Wow. That is very nice. Well, I think the only thing left to do here is I'm going to go over and talk to one of our experts here at the museum and see if we can make a video of getting it started up and running. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Let me know if you got any comments about what you know about these. And once again, I'd like to thank the Williams family for donating this truck to us. This is definitely a beautiful asset to the museum. Thanks for watching, everybody.